Welcome to Dance Studio Manager. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to give early enrollment access to your Gold members for the upcoming season. From the dashboard, click on Settings and find Seasons in the drop-down menu. Then, click the button labeled Add New to create a new season. Let's name the season as Summer 2025. Set the date range from June 21st, 2025 to September 23rd, 2025. Set the enrollment start date to June 21st, 2025 at 12 a.m. This will be applicable for all members. Next, under Enrollment for specific member categories, select Gold Member. Only Gold members will be able to enroll starting on June 15th, 2025. You can also enable the waitlist, charge a registration fee, and make the season visible to clients. Set the status to active when you're ready to go live. Finally, click Save. And that's it. You've now set up early enrollment for Gold members in Dance Studio Manager. Thanks for watching. Keep your enrollment smooth and reward your VIP members with early access using Dance Studio Manager.